Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as I have discussed in the last video regarding the progressive addition lenses, so in this video I am going to share what are the problems and what are the challenges we can face while adapting the progressive addition lenses. So let's start the video. So once we are going to switch from single vision lenses to progressive addition lenses, what happens exactly? In the progressive addition lenses there is a power progression from the top, medium and down. So from top to down there is a power progression. So we are feeling somehow there is a difficulty while adapting that kind of progression. So what are the basically challenges we are facing? And first of all, you might feel headache. Second thing, you may feel the dizziness. Third thing, you may feel the power progressions and difficulty in adaptations. And the fourth thing, you may feel about the peripheral distortion, because depending on the design and the type of lenses you are going to choose, so you may feel these kind of symptoms. And the last thing, you might feel a depth perceptions, and the most common fear while adapting to the progressive addition lenses is while using on the stairs and difficulty in adaptations. Last, might seeing long, you may or may not feel any of the symptoms, and if you do, that symptoms will go away soon and you will get habitual with the progressive addition lenses. So if you feel any of the symptoms, how we can overcome and what are the tips to adjust with the progressive addition lenses?
Congratulations on your new progressive lenses. It's important to know that there's an adjustment period. Unlike regular lenses, which only have one field of vision, progressive lenses have three: reading, intermediate, and distance. Since your eyes and your brain are learning to see differently, it helps to make the transition gradually. If it's your first time wearing progressive lenses, you might experience some side effects like soft dizziness. Don't worry, this is completely normal and will quickly pass. Here are some tips for quicker adjustment. Look far, then focus on something closer as you lower your eyes to the mid part of the lenses. Then take a book and look through the bottom of the lenses. Next, try moving your head and not just your eyes, up and down and side to side as you look through the different fields of vision. Remember to use your head to point towards where you wish to look. Please note that if you look through the corners of the lenses, they will always seem a bit blurry. That's completely normal. During the first week, wear your new glasses while driving only if you're comfortable with them. Give yourself up to 30 days to get comfortable.
Adjusting with the progressive addition lenses, you have to use your head like that, eyes and head postures, and most of the progressive addition lenses you will get your vision out of them. So the first tip is once you get your progressive addition lenses, you have to start using that glasses in the home. So first, once you get the glasses in the optical shop, you should not use the glasses right away. You have to start using the glasses from the home. Second thing, once you get the glasses, the progressive addition lenses, you have to use as a primary pair. What does it mean? That means you have to use it most of the time and avoid using the normal reading glasses or the another pair what you have it before. And the third thing, you have to make sure the fitting of the frame that should fit on the face comfortably, and make sure at all the adjustment it should not be loose and it will be put on your face. And while taking the progressive addition lenses, you might discuss your profile with your optician so that he can give you a best design to fits for your lifestyle. So for the last tips for you to get habitual with the progressive addition lenses is you have to get habitual with these things, and you have to find out the way where you have to look for distance, and intermediate like computer and the reading area. So slowly you will get habitual with all these things, and you might overcome all the challenges what we have discussed in the last. So overall conclusion is you have to use your glasses as a primary glasses. You should avoid your reading glasses or the normal reading glasses, and you have to use that progressive lenses. So hope you will like my tips and you will get habitual with the progressive addition lenses, and that is simple, and you will get a very good vision for intermediate, computer and distance vision. Somehow it takes some time in the initial adaptation of time of 7 days. So thank you very much. Hope you like it my video. So see you in the next video.